5 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 69. English. Spotlight 5. At the zoo. Homework page 69. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? And now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. And now open your books, please. Page number 69. Exercise number 5, letter A. Find the words in the dialogue for the pronouns in bold below. Найдите слова в диалоге, которые бы соответствовали местоимениям, выделенным жирным шрифтом. The dialogue. Do you like the zoo, Anne? Yes, I do. It's great. What's that animal over there? Which one? What does it look like? It has a long neck and long legs. That's a giraffe. They are so beautiful. Yes, they are. Look, what's that up in the tree? It's monkey. I don't like monkeys. Why not? They are noisy. I find them cute. Anyway, let's go and see the bears. Okay. The answer. Number 1. It has got a long neck. The giraffe. They are noisy. Monkeys. I find them cute. Ben. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Present simple. Настоящее простое время. Negative and interrogative. Отрицательное и вопросительное предложение. Read the table. Find example in the dialogue. Read the table. Читаем таблицу. Negative. Отрицательное. I don't like tigers. You don't like tigers. We don't like tigers. They don't like tigers. Я не люблю тигров. He, she, it doesn't like tigers. Он, она, оно не любят тигров. Вопросительные предложения. Interrogative. Do I like tigers? Я люблю тигров. Do you like tigers? Ты любишь тигров. Do we like tigers? Мы любим тигров. Do they like tigers? Они любят тигров. Does he, she eat like tigers? Он, она, оно любит тигров? Short answers. Yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, we do. Yes, they do. Negative. Отрицательно. No, I don't. No, you don't. No, we don't. No, they don't. Yes, he, she, it does. No, he, she, it doesn't. The next. Найдем примеры в диалоге and the answer. Interrogative. Вопросительное. Do you like the zoo? What does it look like? Negative. Отрицательно. I don't like monkeys. Short form. Короткие формы. Yes, I do. And now we must do exercise number 7. Letter A. Fill in do, does, don't or doesn't. Вставьте do, does, don't, doesn't. The answer number 1. Do you like peacocks? Yes, I do. Number 2. Does your friend eat fruit? No, she doesn't. Number 3. Do they live in Brazil? No, they don't. Number 4. Does Bob sleep a lot? Yes, he does. And now we do exercise number 7, letter B. Ask and answer. Задайте вопрос и ответьте. The answer. Do you play football? Yes, I do. Does your mom walk? No, she doesn't. Does your friend walk to school? No, he doesn't. Do you live in a flat? No, I don't. Do you swim well? Yes, I do. Do you like elephants? Yes, I do. Does your dad eat fish? Yes, he does. Game. Play in teams. Think of an animal. The teams ask 5 questions, each to find which animal it is. Играйте в команде, задумайте животное. Команда задает 5 вопросов каждая, чтобы угадать, что это за животное. The questions. Has it got long legs? Yes, it has. Has it got long neck? Yes, it has. Is it a giraffe? Yes, it is. Exercise number 8. Listen and complete the advertisement. Послушайте и заполните пробелы в рекламном объявлении. Number 1. Park. 2. 10. 3. Christmas. 4. 12. 5. Lions. And now we must do exercise number 9. Imagine you are at a zoo. Act out a dialogue like the one in exercise number 4. Include asking about an animal, describing the animal, giving the reason why you don't like it. Record yourselves. Представьте, что ты в зоопарке. Разыграйте диалог, как в упражнении 4. Включите в диалог вопросы о животных, описание животных, объяснение причин, почему нравится или не нравится, и запишите себя. The answer. Do you like the zoo, Misha? Yes, I do. It's fantastic. What's the animal over there? Which one? What does it look like? It has got long beak, long legs, and long feathers. That's a peacock. They are so beautiful. Yes, they are. Look, what's that up in the tree? It's a snake. I don't like snakes. Why not? They're creepy. I find them clever. Anyway, let's go and see zebras. Okay. Exercise number 10. Write a paragraph about wild animal. Write its name, what it looks like, color. Find the picture for your project. Напишите текст о диких животных. Напишите название, как выглядит, цвет. Найдите картинки для вашего проекта. The answer. This is a tiger. It is many favorite animal. A tiger's body is powerful and covered with thick fur of black and orange stripes. It lives in the jungles. I like tigers because they are beautiful. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.